This is the domestic short hair. A long tail, big nuts, spread, and a big nice chest.
这只猫的比赛状态非常好。
Just fucking dingle his balls.
This one's cheating. That's a good one.
Good boy. Oh, uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth, just perfect all around.
This is Rice. He wants to show you his toe beans, and you better fucking think they're amazing. Show him, Rice.
I don't know if that's what he says. Climb, Showcat, climb! Look what he can do! Oh, best in show, best in show!